They thought it was hopeless. A cow was being swept away by raging floodwaters while people desperately called for help. The current was too strong for anyone to reach her safely. But then, an excavator arrived. The driver waited with incredible focus as the cow drifted closer. At the perfect moment, he scooped her up with amazing precision. Not everyone could pull this off. He gently set her down on solid ground. The cow was saved. Proof that real heroes don't always wear capes. Sometimes they drive excavators. He saved him in the nick of time. One skater was perfecting a tricky move, but at the last second, it was clear he'd fall badly. Another guy nearby saw it happening, and he shoved a mattress under him just in time to break the fall.